concept that we have picked today is balancing of equations of chemical reaction. Supposing if I want to write down a chemical reaction between iron and steam to form iron oxide and hydrogen, I have to write a complete statement saying iron on reaction with steam forms iron oxide and hydrogen. This is quite a long process. This can be shortened if I write instead of a statement the word equation, wherein I write iron plus steam gives you iron oxide and hydrogen. This can be further shortened if instead of words we take symbols of the elements. For example, for iron Fe, steam H2O, iron oxide Fe3O4 and hydrogen H2. Now the equation becomes Fe plus H2O gives you Fe3O4 plus H2. This is a skeleton equation in which the left hand side is the reactant side and the right hand side is the product side. If we compare the number of atoms of each element on left and right side, we see that the atoms of each element are not equal. For example, iron on the left hand side is only 1, whereas it is 3 on the product side. Such type of skeleton equation do not follow the law of conservation of mass and hence are not satisfactory. To satisfy the law of conservation of mass, we need to balance the chemical equation, and for that we need to list down all the atoms of the reactant and product and compare them on the reactant and the product side. For example, Fe on the reactant side is only 1 and 3 on the product side. Hydrogen is same on both the side. Oxygen is 1 on the reactant side and 4 on the product side. To balance, now we select the biggest formula, and for that we compare O2 on both the sides. O2 in the reactant initially is only 1, whereas it is 4 on the product side. So to make it 4 on the reactant side, we multiply it by 4 and we get a partially balanced chemical equation. Fe plus 4H2O gives you Fe3O4 plus H2. Next we select H2 and compare. H2 on the reactant side initially is now 8, whereas it is only 2 on the product side. So to balance this, we multiply the product with 4 and we get another partially balanced equation. Fe plus 4H2O gives you Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Now the element which is left for balancing is iron, and we see that iron on the reactant side is only 1, whereas it is 3 on the product side. So we multiply the reactant with 3 and we get another equation which is Fe3Fe plus 4H2O gives you Fe3O4 and 4H2. Now after balancing all the atoms of each element, we compare the reactants and the products and we see that iron on both the sides now are 3, hydrogen are 8 and oxygen is 4. And now our balanced chemical equation becomes 3Fe plus 4H2O, Fe3O4 plus 4H2. After understanding the concept properly, after going through the video nicely, the children are supposed to balance these equations and submit it to their teacher in their next chemistry period. Hope you properly practice and enjoy. Thanks.